Welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. The viewers in front of me, Tecno Pova 5 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port on this smartphone. To do it, firstly you need to take out the cover if you have the cover, so you need to take it off firstly. So take the cover off. And as you can see, there is something in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable going from all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So basically it's very easy to clean the USB charging port on Tecno Pova 5 Pro device. To do it, I suggest using a toothbrush, which no one use, and never use metal objects to clean the connector, because using metal objects you can damage your USB charging port. So I suggest to just insert one part of the toothbrush in the connector, and in this way brush out the dirt from the port. So it's not too easy, but it's very safe, and you need to maybe spend 2-3 minutes of cleaning your USB charging port, and in this way you will clean your port safely and without any struggles. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.